Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to your business on Nextdoor. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in nextdoor.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Nextdoor website where you can log in to your account by clicking on the sign in button at the top right corner. Now once you are logged in, you can simply click on your account section at the top right corner and then click on Add Business Page. You will then be taken to the Nextdoor Business Login page. Now you can use your default login to link it with your business account, or you can use a different account for your business Nextdoor account. Just go ahead and select any one of those options and you will be asked to enter your business name. Just go ahead and type in the name of your business and then click on the next button. Then you will be asked to enter your business address. Just go ahead and type in the address and then click on the next button as well. You will then be asked to set up your category. Just go ahead and select whichever category applies to your business, and then you can click on the Claim Page button to start customizing your business page on Nextdoor. From there you can upload pictures and then enter additional information about your business. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your business account on Nextdoor. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.